Well, here's number 3 of the 2024s. Trail Boss. Rough country exhaust. Wheels and tires. Catskin leather. Oh, and amp steps. Let's get this one loaded up. Well, I don't know, we get thunderstorms in February now. That don't sound good. Here's an all black one, same exact accessories, just in black. The heck all these noises are. Is this the end of the world? Probably gonna get this loaded up, start strapping until it rains, and then if I don't get done, I'm gonna wait it out because I'm not getting soaked today because I'm not in a super hurry, and I'm not gonna get struck by lightning because I don't have very good luck here recently. Alrighty, well, good morning. It is 8:25 and it has been a freaking busy morning already. I am unloading these brand new trucks because I'm going to use this trailer today. I was going to use my enclosed, excuse me, but I got to get a couple tires put on that. And what I'm picking up doesn't need to be enclosed, so. And that's not getting to, those aren't getting delivered till Monday. These aren't getting delivered till Wednesday. So, just gonna unload these quick, park them in the driveway, and go pick up my other 2 cars for the day. Well, out and about today, picking up some gems. Picking up this Riviera, and one more. The guy told me to meet him back here. I can't get on his parking lot. He works at the dealership, I think, up there. But this thing is, I drove this thing up on here. God, this thing is comfortable. It'd be so cool to have one of these. I think this has got a big block in it.
Turn left, then turn left on Old Washington Road.
Needs some body work. Got rust here on the other side too. You can see the cracking in the paint, but for being an all-original car, just needs some TLC, but this interior is nice. That's pretty good. Now all we're doing is waiting for this guy to bring us another one, get the ramps flipped, and get some straps out. Well, it is a day for oddball cars. I can't say I've ever hauled one of these. 72. Got a 4-speed in it. Runs good. Trans feels tight. Let's pull this thing up and get her loaded up. Told you this guy buys cool stuff. 2 oddballs today, though. Man, this thing is clean too. Let's get her pulled up here, and these are a little more difficult to load, being manual trans, because I need to kind of hang my head out the window. But that's why I'm gonna put the camera down until I get this one pulled up there. All right, let's ought to get some looks going down the road. Both loaded up. Let's get them back to the house. Deliver these on Monday. Well, we're in the dually, the 6.7 dually this morning because we gotta go play in some mud. Hopefully not. Gonna go pick up some farm equipment from an auction, and I'm scared it's gonna be muddy and I want 4-wheel drive. So we'll just take this old gal. We're gonna unload these two real quick. They get put into the enclosed trailer, and we're gonna take the big flatbed to pick up a tractor and a skid loader all in one trip. So I gotta flip the bed cover on this, get hooked up, and then we'll unload these real quick. All right. See if we can't get this one. See if we can't get this one fired up here. I don't really want to climb up here if I don't have to. But there's one. A little chilly this morning for both of these cars. Alrighty, well, let's get moving for today. Got a new camera angle alert. Try to get out of here real quick and go pick up this farm equipment. It's like a medium duty tractor and a very small skid loader. So let them sit there for now. We'll come back and get those babies later. Try and get out of here without making a mess. Of course, they've got the trash can sitting here. No big deal. Yeah. Not on roads yet. This is sometimes a tough place to pull out of because of the traffic that comes by. Alrighty. And we're off. Off to make $1. A couple dollars today. See you guys at the next stop. So I told myself, I was like, I'm gonna knock out the easy job this morning, run up to this auction, and guess they had like a little auction set up in this field up here of farm equipment. I was like, I'm gonna run up here real quick, knock this job out. Small loader tractor and a small skid steer. An old John Deere, real narrow skid steer. Anyways, it's like I'll knock that out because that'll be easy. It's closest to the house. Knock that out real quick, and then
continue to I-70 West, US 40 West.
Then it's kind of on the way for me. Like, it's on my way to my next pickup. And the lady just messaged me, was like, hey, they can't find the tractor I won the bid on. I was like, well, that sucks. What am I? They must have either let somebody take it or misplaced it and had somebody take the wrong tractor or something. Or the owner came back and got it. I don't know. But they can't find the tractor, and she has a cashier's check made out for that amount, including the tractor. So they can't take the check for the skid steer. So I'm in a little bit of a pickle, but I'm only 5 minutes away. I just stopped and got an energy drink at Rural Farms. I'm only like 5 minutes away, so I think I'm just gonna go there. I gotta drive by it practically anyways. I'm gonna go there, meet her in person, and see what's going on, and kind of get a game plan from there, I guess. Since if I was any more than this away, I wouldn't do it, but since I'm close, let's see what we got going on. Alright, you guys want to see why I said I was coming here with 4-wheel drive? Look at this muddy, swampy mess around here. I figured out where the tractor is. The guy had a bunch of stuff consigned. They said, hey, take his stuff back. They took everything, not realizing that the tractor sold. So once this guy gets done here, I'm gonna jack the trailer into the mud. On this side, there's little aisles. And as long as the trailer will just be in the mud, then I can leave the truck on the stone here and get turned around. Told you this was a muddy mess. Try and not fall. Try and not get too soaked. I think this bucket comes with this thing. It's supposed to run. Battery's exposed there. See if I can't get up in here and see if it starts. Is she running? She's a little smoky, but she's running. Ain't ran one like this in quite a while, I'll tell you that much. Nope, got the little skid loader loaded up. Now just waiting for my tractor. They said 30 minutes about an hour ago, so thankfully I'm out here on the road. I turned around and got out of that lot because somebody moved from this spot on the shoulder, so I don't have to deal with the mud, especially like strapping and chaining everything down. I'm not slopping around in the mud. It's probably ankle deep in there. And there's farmers that keep coming in and getting like these conglomerates of stuff where they takes them forever to set it on there, and then they figure out how to strap it all down and keep it all on. And there's a semi trailer with no truck way in the back there that they said somebody was coming back to hook onto. So I didn't want to be in the way of that guy. So this was the perfect spot. Well, I started unstrapping and unchaining everything. Kind of forgot to show you everything loaded on at one time. People live right up this road here, so I'm just parked in the street. And thought this was going to be a little bigger than what it was, so I had put that all the way forward, but no worries. Get both of these off. This thing actually runs and functions pretty good, so really impressed with that, but a little hard to steer and to work, but I'll show you why. It's gonna be a little bit of a long ride in that skid loader, but they got horsies too. But they were gonna buy either a tractor. No, they were really gonna buy a skid loader or a skid loader and a tractor for their budget, and they ended up finding that tractor and the skid loader in their budget. So that skid loader is definitely gonna be nice to do like run-in shed clean outs and stuff. It's real small, real narrow, but it takes some getting used to, but it runs really good for what it is. Well, I already got the truck running. Look at this gem. It's a shame this isn't going with me. I'd take it. Man, this thing is a nice unit. I need one of these. I love older trucks. It's actually an old friend of mine bought this. if you bought this for the farm or what. But he's a farmer. Dropped the keys off to me last night. I'll get it pulled up here and get her strapped down.